Imagine running marketing campaigns that never miss. AI makes that possible, not through guesswork, but through data-driven decisions. In this video, you'll learn how to use AI to build a data-driven marketing strategy that helps you target better, spend smarter, and grow faster. Most marketing strategies fail because they're based on assumptions, what we think will work. But in today's world, the most successful brands rely on data, not intuition. And artificial intelligence is the ultimate engine behind that transformation. From predicting customer behavior to optimizing ad spend and measuring real ROI, AI turns data into marketing intelligence. Let's explore exactly how you can build a smart, data-driven marketing strategy using AI tools, step by step. Step 1. Collect the right data. Before you can analyze or optimize, you need accurate, real-time data. AI tools like Google Analytics 4, HubSpot AI, and Segment automatically track customer actions across your website, social media, and email funnels. These tools gather metrics on clicks, engagement, and conversions, and use machine learning to identify trends you might never spot manually. The more complete your data, the stronger your strategy foundation. Step 2. Analyze audience behavior with AI. Data is only powerful when you understand it. Platforms like Amplitude, Pecan AI, and Tableau AI visualize user behavior and highlight patterns, who engages, when they engage, and what makes them convert. For example, you can see which types of posts drive the most qualified leads, not just the most likes. That shift from vanity metrics to value metrics changes everything. Step 3. Predict what works before you spend. AI doesn't just explain the past, it predicts the future. Predictive marketing tools like Salesforce Einstein, Pattern 89, and Google Ads Smart Bidding use historical data to forecast campaign outcomes. Before you launch an ad, AI can estimate how it will perform and automatically adjust your targeting and budget to maximize ROI. It's like having a marketing analyst working 24/7 for every campaign. Step 4. Personalize at scale. AI allows you to tailor your message to each customer without creating hundreds of versions manually. Tools like Persado, Dynamic Yield, and Jasper Campaigns automatically write and adjust ad copy, email subject lines, and CTAs based on audience segments and emotional triggers. Imagine every viewer seeing the version of your message most likely to make them click. That's personalization at scale, powered by AI. Step 5. Optimize and adapt in real time. The best strategies never stand still. AI-driven platforms like Adzuma, Optimizely, and ActiveCampaign, AI constantly test and tweak campaigns based on real-time data. If one ad headline is underperforming, AI shifts budget and focus to what's working right now. This turns marketing into a self-optimizing system, one that learns, adapts, and improves automatically. Data doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. When you combine your marketing instincts with AI's analytical power, you make smarter decisions faster. Start small. Connect one AI tool to your analytics, one to your ad strategy, and one to personalization. Once you see the clarity and control it brings, you'll never go back to guesswork. Because in 2025, great marketing isn't about who shouts the loudest, it's about who listens to the data.